lever-action rifle was invented in 1847 by the Volcanic Repeating Arms Company in New Haven, Connecticut. When the Volcanic proved unreliable, the company was sold to Oliver Winchester, who assigned the gun to his chief gunsmith, Benjamin Tyler Henry. Henry perfected the design, and it was released in 1860 as the Henry rifle. Since that time, there have been many different sizes and calibers of the lever-action rifle made. All of them operate in a similar fashion. In our program, we will use either the Henry H001 rifle or the Marlin 39A rifle. Both operate exactly the same, and we will demonstrate on the Henry H001. The parts of a lever-action rifle are the stock, which is comprised of two parts, the stock and the forestock. The top of the stock where your cheek rests is called the comb. Other parts are the barrel, the muzzle, the magazine, the receiver, the chamber, the bolt, the hammer, the trigger, the lever, which includes a trigger guard, the front sight, the rear sight. To operate the rifle, you must first load the magazine. Before loading, be certain that the lever is fully in the closed or rear position and that the hammer is down or in the fully forward position. Place the butt on the bench. Then, grasping the tip of the magazine tube, turn the tube counterclockwise 1/4 turn until the pin moves out of the notch. Raise the tube until the load notch in the magazine is clear and load one cartridge at a time until all cartridges are loaded. Slide the tube back into the magazine, line up the pin with the notch, push down, and turn 1/4 turn clockwise to lock. When approaching the magazine, be sure to do it so that your hand does not pass over the muzzle. To fire, point the gun down range. With your trigger finger hand, move the lever down and forward until it stops. Then bring the lever back and up until it stops. This action will load a cartridge from the magazine into the chamber and cock the hammer. The gun is now ready to fire. Place your finger on the receiver above the trigger and raise the butt into your shoulder. Take aim and fire. To fire again, repeat this process. When you have used all of your ammunition, place the rifle on the bench with the muzzle pointing down range, the chamber opening facing the ceiling, the lever in the closed position, and the hammer in the forward position. And remember the 4 basic rules of safety on our range. Always keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. Always keep the gun unloaded until you are ready to fire. Always keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to fire. Always load the gun with your trigger finger hand. Have fun and safe shooting.